easy way to customize an existing prompt. First, tell ChatGPT what changes or results you want.
Could you adjust and modify the prompt below so that the subject is a woman wearing a white evening gown, adorned with luxurious jewelry, and appearing incredibly elegant and confident?
Then provide the existing prompt and ask ChatGPT to rewrite it according to your preferences. Once ChatGPT generates the revised prompt, copy it and remove any extra explanations or text that are not part of the prompt itself. Open a new chat in ChatGPT, upload your reference image, and paste the revised prompt. Then simply wait for the generated result.